My name is Nishya Tripathi. I am an advocate practicing at Allahabad High Court. Actually, I want to share you this video because there is a lot of people come or call me that they are asking that whether the text form of the WhatsApp or the audio form or whatever the recording you have or the screenshot of WhatsApp, these all can be evidence or not. I'm telling you guys, this is not so easy as what you think, because these all the evidence actually governed under the Indian Evidence Act 1872, and that is the section which just related to with, that is the 65A and 65B. If that kind of information or the screenshot or the text message is not in the format that is admissible in the High Court or the Supreme Court, so this information is nothing for you. Actually, the way the Supreme Court or the High Court or maybe the court lower just consider those all the electronic documents as evidence in the Indian Evidence Act 1872 is really different from as you common in your life thinking that. Because if you just come that screenshot with the another phone, and that the phone is different from the original one which has been shot or the recorded, so it is not going to beneficial for you. As if you that in the situation, if you don't have the entire communication or the entire all the recording, so it is not actually useful in the court before you prove that you are the innocent. For proving that you are the innocent, only the screenshot of the different phone is not possible. So just make possible that the phone in which the screenshot or the that communication has been made, just taken by you, is in your hand or the hold. And because this is all the things, I want to say you that there is because the court don't accept those kind of only the screenshot. As a matter of fact, it is possible even to inject fake messages to WhatsApp of someone in a way that no one can notices if the phone was trapped or the tampered with. It is possible because today the computer science or the hijack method is like that, they can do these things easily. So it is really you have to make cautions whenever you just make an evidence like the screenshot or the audio recording just producing before the court. But that particular piece of evidence is not enough if it is not in a proper way that can seeks to court to be. Whenever these people come to me with this kind of screenshot or the audio recording, I ask them, do you also have the phone in which that conversation actually took place or not? Because if you don't have those screenshots, are then these all the things are meaningless. If you don't have that electronic record in its entirety, you are not to be able make a case, so it is not possible for you. So just be just aware about this video is for that. Because friend, that people think that the legal or the litigation is really possible on basis of only the screenshot or making just prove that you are the innocent. It is not possible so easily. So be careful about that, and for that you have to just take all the legal proceedings with the help of an advocate. Okay, so I think this video is helpful for you, just for the your notice or the whatever that you think it is in your mobile or the laptop or something like that. So just have it in entirety and have it in its original form, and have that kind of laptop or that kind of mobile in its original form. Okay, till then, bye all of you.